Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to operate and use the interior lights on an Acura RDX. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now this is a 2021 Acura RDX and the interior lights are really cool and fairly easy to operate, but it is slightly different from the majority of other cars that I've ever driven. So I figured that I would make a tutorial to show you exactly how to do it, because there are probably some people that are curious. So there are essentially two lights at the front over here, just so you can see, and then two lights in the rear. We have one on the driver's side, and then there's one over here as well. I don't know if I'm pointing the camera in the right angle, but there's two lights at the front, two lights at the back, okay? So how do you operate them? Well, very easy. First and foremost, okay, if you want to operate it individually, any of the lights, you can push it on or off. So I can turn it on or off, just like that, on or off. And also the ones in the back, right here, you can see there's a button, on or off. And I will say that although these lights are small, they are really, really bright. They're super, super bright. So, you know, they might look small, but they are definitely mighty. Now, in addition to that, we have the option to turn all of the lights on or off in various scenarios. So if you look right over here, if you push the on button, okay, all of the lights turn on right now. So these two lights in the front, and then this light over here, and then there's also another light over there in the back, okay? So as you can see right over there, they're all on, essentially. That light right there, it's hard to tell because of the glare, but that light is indeed on, okay? So if I push the on button, all of the lights turn on. If I push the off button, then none of the lights will turn on, even when you open the door. So if I open the door, okay, if I open the door right here, as you can see, the lights do not turn on. If I instead push the door button, okay, so now I push the door button. What that means is that the lights are off other than when I'm opening the door. So now, if I open the door, you'll see that the lights now turn on. So they only turn on when the door has been opened, basically, as like an entrance or an exit feature for the vehicle. That's it. That is how to operate the interior lights on an Acura RDX. It's really easy to do, but I figured that I would show you because it's slightly different than the majority of cars that I have driven in the past. That said, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.